We're going to have to edit this in.
Catch a boat.
Right. So, Mr. Etheridge, what do you think of today's racing?
You laser sailors are a bunch of wussies. In my day, we wouldn't go out in anything less than 50 knots.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Hello.
Who won?
Who
won? Come on.
It was the sort of day that really sorts out the men from the boys.
Separate the men from the boys. I like that.
Who won?
I won today. Are you allowed to say that?
Who was second?
Christian.
Christian, who's
He was very. He nearly got me down the last
third was
Nigel.
Nigel. Pretty uneventful for you.
Yeah, it was.
Now,
What do you mean now?
David.
Now? Yes.
I overtook you, and then you overtook me again.
Yes.
My excuse, I had a big knot in my main sheet. What was your excuse was something about feet?
My boot fell apart and then my main sheet got caught around the deteriorating boot.
Dear God, lace up your boots, my boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hi.
Amy, explain. Come on.
I didn't capsize today, which is good. It's good fun. Good race. Good race. Got lapped. I was in there. I finished it. That's the main thing.
My little friend Michael.
Explain.
There was a bit of action on the start line where I seemed to be going the wrong way, crashing into you, and over the line.
And
The highlight of my race was overtaking Matthew downwind.
Yeah. The low light of my race was being overtaken by Sonia. First time back, the nemesis, and she overtook me downwind.
Good evening.
boys, men.
Good evening.
You didn't do anything.
No, you're quite
Sat
right,
on the
Mike.
sideline. Kevin,
I didn't do anything. I sat on the
who
sideline.
did you hit?
Peter, on the sideline.
No.
Stop telling porkies, my boy.
Who did you hit?
Who did you hit, Kevin?
Nobody.
Kevin, who did you hit?
They hit me.
Who did you hit, Kevin?
I stopped to untangle.
Did you do any penalties?
No.
Typical Kevin. Oh, no. That's it. That's enough. That's enough. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.
I love a bit of boat-on-boat action.